Hey everybody, this is Justin Savage with MarineMax Venice here. We have a used 2025 Sea Ray 280 SLX on our property. This one is powered with twin 250 Verados from Mercury, and that also includes the joystick piloting. As you walk your way in, you'll see a huge sun pad here with ample storage underneath it. Battery switches are conveniently located in the back there, so easy to find. Moving your way in, nice open walkway. Nothing you got to step over. Nice clear path. Tons of seating for family and friends. This is going to be the power tower, so this will actually fold down as it actuates, and it'll lock in place. So if you find yourself in some bad weather, you can run that down to the top of the windshield and keep out of the rain, which is very nice. It happens more than you'd think, so it's nice to have that ability to do that. You have a table that'll mount here, a nice teak table, so you can have nice big seating. Everyone here. This is optioned with your refrigerating drawer underneath the helm seat here. This is a double wide seat, so if you're just out there running around with your significant other, it's nice to have side-by-side seating there. Upgraded electronics, you got twin Simrad displays, as you'll see. Your joystick operating here, active trim tabs, Fusion stereo, all conveniently located, really easy to navigate through. On the port side here, you have your co-captain's chair and your head. Decent amount of room in there for a full day out on the water. That is a vacuum flush head with a holding tank. As we walk up here, you got your windlass anchor, and you have nice, decent sized seating here with flip down armrests, so you can lounge out here as you're underway, or if you're out on the sandbar hanging out, plenty of room to do that. Lots more on this boat if you want to come in and check it out. It is here located at Venice. Happy to show you through it and answer any questions you have, so stop on in.